Today's video, we're upgrading a Toyota RAV4 with heated seats. My name's Adil and you're watching CBS Automotive. One certain spec, heated seats, wasn't on the car from stock. Not to worry, it's in safe hands and the install has all been completed. What's involved in something like this is actually removing the seats completely, laying in the carbon fibre heated pad on the back and also on the base of the seat, then applying all of the upholstery back onto the seat. And basically no one knows we've been there, other than the little switch that we've got mounted to the side of the seat. We've got a low setting, an off setting, and then a high setting, which is really easy to use. Even by keeping focus on the road, you can easily control this and also apply different heat settings to obviously adjust the heat coming out of the actual seat itself. And it's really nice with those cold winter mornings where you can jump in the car, turn on the heated seat, let the car warm up, and then when you get in it, it's all nice and cozy in there for you. But a really nice solution, completely hidden away, and all you've got is this little switch on either one of the front seats. And we also do options for rear heated seats on plenty of vehicles as well. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you benefited from it and actually learned a little bit more about the heated seat option that we've added on to this Toyota RAV4. If you're interested in something similar, it's all live on our website, but all of our contact details is in the description below. So make sure you go check it out. It also does really help our business if you could smash that subscribe button and also share the video with friends and family or anyone after this particular solution on their vehicle, because they might find this video really useful too. But thank you so much again for watching. We'll see you next time.